Today I explain how you can make the most of the digital asecos showroom and learn about the products on display. With the showroom, we have created a digital exhibition where you can discover the asecos product world and obtain all relevant information about our products. Here is how it works. To access the digital asecos showroom, enter www.asecos-showroom.com in your preferred browser, for example Chrome or Firefox, and this will take you to the upstream language selection. Here you have the option of displaying the content in German, left-hand side, or English, right-hand side. Select the desired language, click on the play button to start the intro of the digital showroom, which can be skipped right at the top. And here we are in the digital asecos showroom. By moving the mouse with the left mouse button pressed, you can look around the room from your current position. Have you noticed the flashing white dots on the floor? We have divided the digital showroom into several stations that you can move to by clicking on the desired point. Station 1 is required for our physical on-site showroom. Visitors who enter the showroom live select their preferred language for the content here. You have already done this. Station 2 and 3 show products that are mainly used in the laboratory. We present our highlight products at Station 4. Station 5 shows and explains typical products for industrial applications. At Station 6, we show an insight into the asecos product handling range. By clicking on the respective ward monitor, you can watch a short video in which the products of this ward are presented, with the features and benefits explained. You can skip the video by closing it at the top right. For more detailed information on the products on display, please click on the flashing dots on the products. This will take you to the product overview page. In the lower area of this page, you will find further options such as our current leaflet catalog, the technical product data sheet, or a detailed product video and other interesting information. Here you will also find our asecos product configurator. This configurator allows you to individually put together the best safety cabinet for you and your needs. That was my little introduction to our digital showroom. Have fun exploring the variety of asecos products. If you have any further questions, my colleagues will be happy to help and advise you.